Hello YouTube, here is an unboxing of the TRV-145E, a digital 8 camera from 2002. Brand new sealed, as you can see there. Quite a rare opportunity to open a brand new camera from back in the day. Get that sticker off. Yeah, I saw this on eBay last week and I jumped on the opportunity to pick it up. It was £40 as well, and seeing these cameras were listed used for over 100, there was no hesitation. I was like, buy. And if it turned out to be a dodgy deal, then obviously you've got PayPal protection. So yeah, standard TV cable, SCART adapter, UK plug adapter, all the standard stuff. Cardboard. Get rid of that. Here is the brand new manual. Very much keep that fresh, brand new smell of the book and the camera as it turns out as well. It's got a lot of that new plasticky electrical smell you get when you open a new product. Let's get to the good stuff. Come on, open that box. Accessories. Bits and pieces that you could have got for the camera at the time, wide lens and so on. I need to pick up a wide lens. Got plenty of batteries for my camcorders, but I've only got one wide lens. Register now. I wonder if that's still valid with Sony. Try and register this product in 2019. See what happens. Yes, register. More cardboard dividers. Lens cap. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't remember lens caps not being attached to the camera back in the day. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but it's just, as I remember, I don't really remember them being not on the camera. Me trying to work out how to open this very complex cardboard box. There we go. So yeah, power supply. I've got about 20 Sony power supplies that run same voltage and everything, but this is unusually a smaller one than I'm used to, but it's all the same. There goes the battery rolling in the box. Not surprisingly, it was dead on arrival. I'm hoping the battery will be fine, and it's currently on charge as we speak. As I'm doing this voice recording over, it's charging. It seems to be charging all right, but as I later find out in the recording, it's not held any charge since it was packaged up by Sony back in the day. Standard M battery, and there's the details for it if you happen to need one. Come on, get to the good stuff. And there we go, children. That's brand new 2002 Handycam. Fresh in the bag. And there we go with the tags on the back and everything. Digital 8. Yeah, this is actually quite lacking in features. I'd heard other YouTubers like V Westlife talk about how near the end of the Digital 8 era there was less and less features. They were just stripping it back to make it cheaper. So it had less and less features. So steady shots missing on this camera, as is things like in and out via the firewire. I think it's just output on this model. And there's no headphone socket, there's no microphone socket, anything like that. Here we go, just putting on that battery to find if it's got any charge in it since the day it was packaged up, which I'll shortly find out, switching on, that there is no juice in it. So not a problem, I go and get another battery. Here's one I had charged up already. Switch on, clock set, that good old menu that comes up when it's the internal battery that holds the date and time and menu settings is completely wiped, so it doesn't know what it's doing. and then I put it down to get a tape. I had a tape that I unboxed on another video on here the other day, prepared for the arrival of this brand new one because I didn't want to mess around with putting old tapes in it. So I opened a brand new Hi8, labelled it up for the occasion. And that is what's happening here. I've bottom loading cameras. I know there's a lot you see with the C32 era. They're old bits of gear these days, but it did seem to be, in my personal view anyway, that it was more the bottom feeder units that had that problem. But anyway, let's watch the footage. Ooh, that's noisy. All going to plan though. This is recording, first tape, brand new camera, open 2002. So I have to see how this all comes out. It's making quite a bit of noise actually. But it's never been used, so it could just be a bit stiff. So let's hope it's that. Nice sunny day today. That was in long play. I have to sort that out. There we go, we're in standard play now. So tested the camera features. Still got the label on the back of the camera. Yeah, I'm hoping that stiffness is just because it's not being used yet, or it could be the tape. But I'll carry on recording, play this back and see how it all comes out. But yeah, it was in long play mode as well. It's not what you want on the first test. You want standard play. Brand new high quality tape then there, and see how this all comes out. Right, test 2. The first lot was all a bit squeaky and stuff. I think it's just because it's been sat in the box not doing anything since 2002, which is when this camera came out. So they bought it. I don't know how these new old stock things happen. Someone somewhere had sitting random, Handycams from 2002, but actually had the receipt in the eBay listing. I'll include the photo, saying they bought it from Littlewoods, the catalogue shop that still goes, but yeah, bought it in 2002 and never opened it. And I've just done the unboxing video. Well, I say the unboxing video, it's all going to be included with this. I think I'll just bump it all together. But yeah, it sounds like it's recording properly now. Surprised to see it doesn't really include steady shot. But this is a low-end version of a Digital 8, very basic unit that has things like night shot, light on it and so on. It doesn't play the old tapes. I've tried that already. I put in a Hi8 tape, and it doesn't play it. So I can see why certain cameras are more beneficial, because it has the ability to play the old tapes as well as Digital 8, where this one will just do the new Digital 8 recordings, which is fine. But yeah, £40 for a brand new, in the box, genuine Sony Handycam from 2002. Anyway, I think that's enough talking. A bit more recording and then I'll edit this all together. But yeah, what I will also say, which is quite amusing, is the hand strap. Obviously, it's a brand new camera. It's already split from using it all of 2 minutes. So yeah, it's probably just they were prone to cracking, and it's cracked instantly from sitting in the box not doing anything to me putting my hand in it. It's got oh god, and then broken. But yeah, god, you can really smell that new camera smell off it, the new plastic. Maybe it's on fire. Maybe it's burning up. Yeah, all the buttons feel nice and fresh and brand new to use. Yeah, no steady shot. That's a pain in the ass. I thought that was a basic feature near the end of the Digital 8 lines, but apparently not. Cut costs everywhere. But yeah, it was just $350 brand new. Brother's old car out there. Quite enough of this.